I have this pack of wood mushrooms. They came from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to take 4 of them. I do have 5 sitting here, but in the end, I ended up just using 4. And they're a variety of different sizes. I painted my first one in Wise Owl Mandarina on the top, and I'm using gray linen on the bottom on all of the mushrooms. Now, of course, you could pick any colors of your choice. I painted the next one in Wise Owl Joshua Tree. I also used Goldenrod, Bowie, and I also painted the 5th one in Republic Red, but I ended up not using it. Once that was fully dry, I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm just going to add polka dots to all of the mushrooms. And I did that in the Wise Owl Snow Owl. And I'm going to allow everything to fully dry. I found this stick in my yard. If you don't want to use a real stick, you can find something to replace it with. And I took some white rope, and starting on the left side, I tied a knot. And then I took the other end of the rope, made it as long as I wanted, and then tied another knot on the right side. I cut the extra rope off, and then I unraveled the braid from the rope, just on the end here, whatever was left hanging outside of that knot. I'm going to start with my biggest mushroom, and I'm going to glue it in the center on top of the wood stick. And then I'm going to scatter the other ones around the larger one. So I started with the 3 here, and then I added the small 4th closer to the front. I have some moss. You could totally skip this. There is some moss on the branch, but I wanted it to be a little thicker, so I went ahead and I glued some of this crafting moss, you could get this right from Hobby Lobby, around the mushrooms. I have these artificial berries. They're in fall colors. They're a green and an orange. I have 2 of them. They came from Hobby Lobby as well. I'm going to cut the stems off and staple them down, making one go to the left and one go to the right. I have this blue flower. It was one big bunch, but I went ahead and cut it into single flowers, and I scattered them in the center to cover up the staples. I used 3, and I glued them down in place. You can even glue the petals if you feel like they're too floppy. And there you go. Now you have this really cute hanger. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a lot of fun to make. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts can all be found at chalkedupfancy.com. Have a great day.